Hello friends, I am going to teach you today how to download Shadowfight Special Edition in AC Market. First, you saw in last video how to download the AC Market. In this is part 2. I am going to see here many games can be seen and press up one. Search. Press search. Press games. If it do not come, press search. Press search. Press the search. Modes. Wait till it comes. You can see many games, hack games. You can see many games and it's less MB here. Now, if you want to download Shadowfight Special Edition, press press search. Right there, download Shadowfight Special Edition, Shadowfight 2 Special Edition. You can, or else you can write Shadowfight 2, and you can see it's new. It's new, and go up and right up again. Shadowfight Special Edition. Right there, Shadowfight Special Edition. 5 2 Special Edition. Special Edition. Special Edition. Special Edition. And then search. Here are. You can see there is Shadowfight Special Edition and press download. Press download, please. Okay. Press OK. Now wait till it downloading. Press download, please. Okay. Download started. You can see download is started. It's downloading. You can see in this in Play Store you should download in money, but here without money you can download any game. That also hack version. If you want to do hack version, go down and press more money and then press install and go down. You can see many games which you want. PUBG Mobile Lite म्हणजे सेंड करते ये गेम म्हणजे सेंड करते म्हणजे सेंड करते ये से मार्के सेंड करते म्हणजे Thank you. You can see it's downloading. Please subscribe and comment and press like and press bell icon. You can see when we are in net. You can see our new videos. Please. Please comment which if you like and please like it. If you like any game, comment. We will show you to download hack version in any other app like Happy Mode, Cheat Engine, and many things. And in next video we'll teach you how to download PUBG Mobile Lite.
Sorry friends, not PUBG Mobile Lite.